your pride. Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. Do what you gotta do. Give me up all night. Hurting vibe and it hurts. Feels like a brand new space. 'Cause you're special, yeah. It's been a lot, but it's a new phase. You're special, yeah. Had to choose a brand new way. Special, yeah. Baby girl, you make the right choice. Hey, hi guys. So my face is breaking out. I don't know if the face is the new product that I'm using. Oh, is it there? I'm about to get on my period. Like, I don't know which one is it. Which one is it? Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, if you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Oaitse, but you can just call me Winky. Like, let's not be serious. Me and my intros. But anyways, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure that you subscribe and you become a part of my family. I love the growth. I love the comments. It just motivates me a lot. Today I just wanted to like sit down, you know, and talk to you guys like heart to heart, like face to face, without anybody, without other things, you know, like, because ever since I started this series, yeah, life and gaps, I've been so busy. But like, don't blame me, because when I work, I really work hard, and when I play, when I need to go out there and have fun, I really do that. So like, please don't blame me. It was that time of the month. Right now I'm back at work. I just got back from work about 3 hours ago, and I usually starve myself when I come back from work. I usually starve myself and decide to just sleep, because I live alone. I live alone most of the time. My boyfriend like visits time to time. So like, I live alone, and most of the time it's just so hard to cook for yourself, you know. It's just so hard to cook for yourself all one, and sometimes I'm just so lazy, and I just decide to just, you know, let me sleep. So today I decided to like, you know what, I want to talk to my subscribers. I need to give you guys a name. I need to talk to my YouTube subscribers, just heart to heart. So I'm starting this. I want to make it a vlog, because I don't do a lot most of the time. It's work, home, until I decide to, like, you know what, let me go out and run some errands, let me go out and do this and do that. And that doesn't happen all the time. Like, it doesn't happen every day. I posted a vlog today, second episode of Life and Gaps, and the love is real. I love your comments. Yesterday was Mother's Day, and it was my first official Mother's Day, and I was here like, babe, you gotta do something. I'm kidding, I didn't say that. And like, it was super lovely, it was super intimate, like being appreciated, feeling fulfilled, like having a little baby, a cute little baby. Like, it just sunk that I am a mother now. Like, it just sunk, because I'm currently, for those who don't know, I'm not currently staying with my daughter. It's not easy. My daughter is currently with my mom. If you don't mind, like, share with us what you did for your Mother's Day. For me, what I did for my Mother's Day, we went out. It was Sunday. It was Sunday. I had a doctor's appointment, and I went to the appointment. After the appointment, we went down to Airport Junction to like get breakfast basically. But we ate at cappuccinos. I had my cup of cappuccino. I had my cup of cappuccino. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another day in the vlog. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be visible enough because I'm trying to start vlogging with my back cam. I'm in the car right now, and thank God this vlog is not started in the car, but right now I'm starting it in the car because of obvious reasons. I was just so busy. I was rushing everything, to get ready. So today it's a Sunday. Today it's Sunday. I started the vlog. I don't know, I'll put the date. Today I am going to, I have few, let me I have a few errands to run. First of all, I'm going to stop by Airport Junction to get gym stuff because I want to start going to the gym. Yay! Goals. Like, really, I just really want to start this routine, going to work, doing something I like, things like that. So I'm officially gonna start the gym. I wanted to start going to the gym this week, but I don't think that is gonna be possible because because I'm currently on my period, and I just want to be free when I get to the gym, and when I'm on my period I'm not gonna be that free. Well, I'm going to buy shoes, gym shoes and gym wear. I already have, but I want something different.
Are made of 10 shows, and a face that just caught my attention was sitting right across the room. My attention was sitting right across the room. Two plans made, we both agreed when we said yes. I sat beside you on purpose. I wanted to know what your deal was, but gravity held me down. Gravity kept you from falling for me, 'cause gravity knew my heart. Gravity knew I won't try to pursue, 'cause I'm leaving. Side and we bonded. Then right there everything just disappeared. I felt I could be myself again. Platonic energies. I was so broken, and you were the remedy. You were my falling for me, 'cause gravity knew my heart.
So we're done at Mr. Bryce spot, and we're going to Mr. Bryce find maybe a gym set, because that side is just super expensive and I don't have the budget for that for now. So I'm gonna miss the price. Let me show you guys.
These memories just need to rest. I'm begging, please, I'm begging, please. Will I get another chance? Will I get another chance? I'm calling out the universe. These memories just need to rest. I'm begging, please, I'm begging, please. Will I get another chance? Will I get another chance? Or will I?
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. If you're still watching, please do like, comment and subscribe. But first, yes, just to have some burgers. I've been craving a burger for the longest time, and finally.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. I want you around.
Hey guys, I'm back in the car and I'm gonna show you guys what I got today. Okay, first thing first, I'm starting on this Collagen Plus Skin Essentials. Let me show you guys, let me plug you guys. Focus. Focus, but basically I don't know if I said this in a vlog before, but I don't know where I mentioned it, but I've been wanting to start taking this collagen collagen supplements, basically just to strengthen my hair. Basically it was for my hair, it was for my hair because my hair is not that strong. Oh, I mentioned it in my other vlog, other vlog. Yeah, my hair is not strong, so even my nails. So I got this Collagen Plus Skin Essentials. It's for hair, skin and nails. So prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. Because my skin is about to pop, my hair is about to be rich, my nails are about to be rich. They say I should take them after meals every day, and there are 30 of them. It was 309. I got them at a pharmacy at Oaitse. So yeah, let me show you how they look. They're just so weird. They look so weird. Like, they look so weird. And I'm happy my vitamin water. Just think about this water trending everywhere, and I was like, no, you know what? Full of nutrients, and I'm gonna buy them. I'm gonna buy it. So it's sugar free, zero sugar, just water with vitamins. It does have like a taste. It does have like a taste. It does have a taste. Oh, it's lime or lemon flavor. I'm gonna take my supplements now. So I got this rice cakes from Woolies. Okay, 27 mphela, and then we got bread. This is what we initially went to buy. Hey, ooh, and then mint leaves tea. I haven't tasted it before, but you know, it's a gamble. I haven't tasted it before, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. This is the roller that I use. I got it with legs. And then, especially a cranberry. I pressed out on my baby's cranberry. They smell so nice. And this one smells like rain. Okay, I'm hoping rain next time with the air, but it's good. It smells so good. It's the price, and got this gym top in a large, but I wanted small. I got this in a large because this thingy, I'm gonna take it to my friend and she's gonna reduce it to my size because I want it to fit me very, very well. This sort of thingy, headband for when I go to the gym. I couldn't find the one in Proud.
Bobby.